How to dispute Medicare medical bills and know your rights. Have you ever received a medical bill that left you scratching your head? If you are on Medicare, knowing how to dispute those bills and understanding your rights is essential. Let's break it down step by step. First, identify why you disagree with the bill. Did Medicare or your healthcare provider charge incorrectly? Did they deny coverage for a service you believe should be covered? Or were you billed for services you did not receive? These are all valid reasons to dispute a bill. Start by reviewing your Medicare Summary Notice or explanation of benefits carefully. These documents outline the services billed and the payments made. Look for specific charges or denials that you want to challenge. If you received a bill from a provider, check if they accepted Medicare assignment. This means they agreed to Medicare's approved amount. If they opted out, your payment responsibilities may differ. If you disagree with Medicare's decision, you can file an appeal. You can do this if Medicare refuses to cover a service you believe should be covered, if they refuse to pay for a service you already received, or if they change the amount you must pay. Before filing an appeal, consider reaching out to your provider or Medicare for more information. This can help strengthen your case. The appeals process usually involves several levels, starting with a redetermination by Medicare. It can go up to independent reviews and administrative law judges if necessary. If you paid out of pocket because your provider did not file a claim, you can submit a claim yourself. Use the Patient Request for Medical Payment form, which is also known as form number CMS 1490S. Make sure to submit this within Medicare's time limits. For bills not directly related to Medicare claims, like charges from providers who do not accept Medicare, you can still dispute the bill. Contact the provider and request a clear explanation of the charges. Look for errors such as duplicate charges or billing for services you did not receive. If everything seems correct but you face financial hardship, consider negotiating for a reduced amount or a payment plan. If your bill is significantly higher than expected, especially if it exceeds $400 above a good faith estimate you received before care, you may qualify for the patient-provider dispute resolution process. This involves an independent third party reviewing the bill to determine if the charges are appropriate. While disputing, it is wise to pay the part of the bill you agree with. This helps avoid collections while the dispute is being resolved. Your rights under Medicare include access to clear information about your coverage and costs. You have the right to appeal coverage and payment decisions. You are also protected from unexpected bills for emergency services or certain out-of-network care under laws like the No Surprises Act. Additionally, you can request and receive explanations of your medical bills and claims. To dispute Medicare medical bills effectively, remember these steps. Review all documents carefully. Confirm whether the provider accepts Medicare assignment. Request detailed explanations of charges. File an appeal if you disagree with coverage or payment decisions. Submit your own claim if the provider has not filed one. Use the patient-provider dispute resolution process for bills exceeding good faith estimates by $400 or more. And negotiate or request payment plans if no errors exist but payment is difficult. Understanding these steps and your rights can help you manage Medicare costs and ensure you are not overcharged or unfairly billed.